Hey everybody, so I recently got interviewed about Learn to Skateboard Day, and it's going to happen here in May on Saturday the 22nd. And it's just a day dedicated to getting people started in skateboarding. Whether you're starting, or you're helping a friend get started, or you're teaching your child, or you're a coach at a school, or a coach in some program, we just want you to get involved. And so our organization is, promoting and trying to grow this idea that the month of May is a great month to start skateboarding. And wanted to share the interview with you so you can get some details and information about what Learn to Skateboard Day is, when it is, how to get involved, and hopefully this helps you get inspired or helps you inspire others to learn how to skateboard.
Hey, Chris, when is Learn to Skateboard Day?
So, well, Learn to Skateboard Day honestly could happen any day as long as you're learning how to skateboard and you share it online through any one of our hashtags. But the actual event where we're trying to bring communities together around the world is going to happen generally the third weekend in May, which this year will be the 22nd of May, which is a Saturday.
Hey,
Um,
isn't that a month before Go Skateboarding Day?
it literally is a month before skateboarding day. And there's kind of some genius to this because we wanted
Right.
people to
Yeah.
be able to skateboard, learn it, and then go skateboarding on Go Skateboarding Day. So
So
kind
those
of
guys over at Go Skateboarding Day must be loving what we're doing, yeah?
I hope so. I mean, in any event, hopefully we'll put a whole bunch of new skateboarders out there so that they can engage with Go Skateboarding Day and all the amazing opportunities that come from that.
Well, this Go Skateboarding Day sounds like it's a pretty big deal. So I imagine you'd take a pretty big space to do it, and there won't be very many places. I mean, where will it happen, and what will it look like?
Well, Learn to Skateboard Day can happen anywhere. I mean, literally could happen in your living room if you're just practicing, you're taking your first steps on your skateboard on the carpet, or it can happen in your driveway at your local skate park. You can do it on your own as an individual and just capture your own content and submit it and share it with the world of skateboarding and show people how you're learning. But we also have several partnering programs that are offering events at their local skate parks or their facilities around the world, which is amazing. I think we've got over 100 people engaging already, and to that end, I think we're going to see a lot of opportunities for people to learn how to skate. You can find more information about that on our website, ussea.us, and with some guidance on where you can go and how you could even start your own program if you want to do your own Learn to Skateboard Day.
Well, thank you. That sounds like a lot of fun. So who can participate?
So in terms of running a program, anyone who wants to do their own program can do it and just use the hashtags to celebrate Learn to Skateboard Day. You can also partner with USSEA and become a member. We'll give you resources to help you with that process. Um, and as well, if you're an individual and you just want to learn how to skateboard, everybody's welcome. Anybody who wants to learn how to skateboard can be a part of this, from the simplest form of just snap a photo and tag it with Learn to Skateboard Day, or I can skate, or teach a kid to skateboard, or and teach a friend to skateboard. If you can participate as simply as that. If you want to teach your friend how to skateboard, just tag it. If you're learning the skateboard, tag it and share it. We're hoping that people see this and get excited about helping people learn how to skateboard, help bringing people into the sport. Because at the end of the day, we want skateboarding to be this really inclusive and amazing experience that helps change lives. And there's so many people that just don't get to experience it because of the stigma and the fear and all the things that are attached to it. Well, we hope that this event breaks down barriers, and we want everyone to know that they can participate and Learn to Skateboard Day. We don't care who you are, what you look like, where you're from. All we care is that you want to learn how to skateboard. Get out there and tag it and share it with your friends and family, and get excited about it.
So, Chris, let's say that I can already skateboard, and I'm not going to be teaching somebody else how to skateboard. Is there any way I can participate?
Absolutely. Well, Learn to Skateboard Day doesn't just have to be about, a beginner learning to skateboard. It can also be about anyone of any ability learning something new in skateboarding and sharing that with the world. And I would say, what I love about, YouTube and Instagram and the other social media mediums is that there are people out there sharing their ideas about how to get better at all kinds of things every day. if you want to go up and post your own trick tip, we absolutely, we want to endorse those things. So tag it, share it with us. And I'll tell you what, if you want to submit video to us as well, I will gladly go through, edit. I might even use some of your video in some of our own how-to edits and educational edits. And we'd love to get you involved. So if you just want to skateboard and be a part of this, and go out and practice something new and progress a little bit, I mean, that's what skateboarding is all about. I mean, I think some of the funnest parts of skateboarding are just all the little things that you learn every time you go out. I mean, granted, there are some things that are just fun to do over and over again, but it's when you learn that new thing and you feel something special, you make that connection. Again, that fully connects with Learn to Skateboard Day.
Right on. Well, Chris, thanks a lot. Looks like we're about out of time. Time for a commercial break. I'll see you later.
Our goal is to help you learn how to skateboard and understand more about skateboarding. If this video helped you, be sure to hit us up in the comments below and tell us what you'd like us to focus on for our next video. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like and then subscribe to our channel and tell your friends all about us. If you'd like to learn more about the United States Skateboard Education Association, please visit www.ussea.us, where you can learn more about how to skate, learn more about helping others learn how to skate, and become a certified skateboard coach.